Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to print a BOL for an outbound order. You're going to start out by going to the recycling outbound order screen. In this screen you will either go to the partially loaded or completed tab. If you know your order number, you could type it in the search bar and click enter. Once you find your order, select the checkbox and then hit print and download. You would select the BOL checkbox, and in this case you have a few options. You could print here directly to one of your printers in your office. You could download a PDF report, or you could click preview to view the BOL before printing on paper. That's how you print a BOL.